Today we are going to discuss about the components of computer networks. In previous class we discussed what is computer networks, what are the requirements we have discussed. So now we are discussing about the components, that is hardware, that is how we can connect our devices, then how we can communicate and transfer the data from source to the destination. So by using, for that we are using these components or devices. So first one is network interface card. Then it's divided as two types, wired and wireless. Let me discuss this one. Again, the second one is hub. It's nothing but switch. It's maybe an active hub and passive hub and switch. Okay. So next one is routers, then modem, then switches, then nodes, then medias, and a repeater and a server. So these are all the basic components of your computer networks. So in the network interface card, it's connecting the devices. One devices in the computer, you can connect the other devices to the network interface card to transfer the data from a net. Through the net, we can transfer the packets. So it's a wire means we can use the cable TV wire. We can use the network interface card to transfer the data. Then wireless network interface card is nothing but it's a signals, that is analog to digital, digital to analog signals to transfer the packets from source to the destination. So let us discuss the hub. It's nothing but a switch, that is we can, if it is getting the data, it is in active manner, so that time it will transfer the packets from source to the destination. Likewise, it's a passive condition, it's transfer the packets. Like switch, it may be, it's having the packets, it will automatically transfer the data, otherwise it's in an ideal manner. Likewise, routers, then it's a devices to connect and transmit the data from source to the destination. It's like the modem also, is connecting the devices, one devices to another devices to transfer the packets. Like switches also. So node we are taking it as a, every devices we are taken as a nodes to transfer the data from source to the destination. Media is nothing but it's transmitting media. It's maybe a wired and wireless. Now wired means it's maybe a coaxial cable, optical cable, whatever it may be, the cable type. Based on that we are transferring the packets from source to the destination. Like repeaters, it's a devices to connect to transfer the data from source to the destination. Then server is a major main devices to connecting the different switches or a different destination part into the server. That is, many multiple systems are connected to the server to transfer the packets from source to the destination. So these are all the basic components which we connected to the systems and transfer the packets. So it's a main thing. So components of a computer networks, these are all the main components to connecting the devices. In that one, we are having the many types. In the routers, it's having a broadband, then wireless, wired, then edge routers and a core routers, and then virtual routers and a portable routers. Namely, you can understand it's a broadband connections. In the wireless signals, we can transfer the packets. Then wired, we can using a cable and transfer the packets. Like edge, we can connecting the devices. Then core, it's mainly connected to the devices to transfer the packets. Virtual is temporarily creating the path or transfer the packets. And portable, easily we can connect the extra devices, and scalable we can increase this to transfer the packets. Like the functions is having the main functions. These routers is first one is forwarding, routing, and then network address translations, then security and the quality of services, then virtual private network, then bandwidth management and monitoring. So if we are taking a forwarding method, we can transfer the packets in a forwarding method. So these are all the main methods. In next we can discuss in these methods for how it. Okay. So here in the forwarding method, transfer the packets from source to destination in a to forward manner to transfer the packets. Then routing is selecting the path to transfer the packets. That is, best path is selected to transfer from source to the destination. Network address, based on the address particular device address, is transfer the packets through the network connections. The security is the main challenges. It's the main thing to transfer the packets. The quality of service, we have to improve our quality of services for a efficient transmission of a that is packets. Then virtual private network is it's temporarily creating the network to transfer the packets from source to the destination. In a bandwidth management, when we are allocating the bandwidth, based on the bandwidth size, to transfer the packets. So it's a main thing we have to manage the bandwidth to transfer the packets in an efficient manner. Likewise, we have to monitor the network to transfer the packets, and we have to secure our data to monitor the each and every path of the route to transmit the packets. Thank you.